I had a project coming up, drilling threaded inserts, so I wanted some upgraded drill bits, and I tried these from FISCH. It's a 29-piece Brad Point kit, and they worked out really good for drilling a specialty material that I've been working with. It's called Phenolic coated plywood, and it's kind of like melamine, but the surface can be prone to chipping out if you're not using the right tools. Now, for cutting at a table saw or a router table, it's just your normal woodworking blades and bits. Carbide, of course, but when you're drilling them, you really want a nice drill bit to be able to handle that. And that'll be perfect to make these sliding faces for my router table fence. So with that 23/64 bit, we'll drill a stopped hole, and that's just exactly what I've needed after some testing for my particular threaded inserts. And if you make them a little too tight, you can get some tear out and they won't install very easily. So definitely do some testing and pick the right drill bit for your application. And these FISCH bits really drill a nice clean hole, even in the toughest material like this phenolic plywood. So I was impressed with that, but it's just a stopped hole in this application. But other times when I've had to drill completely through, as long as you have a sacrificial insert, you can get really nice results on the backside as well. Sometimes I like to put a chamfer bit in my drill and run it on reverse actually, just to create a little relief so that when you install that threaded insert, it doesn't chip up your melamine or your phenolic surface. From there, you can actually put a threaded post in your drill press and just use that to keep everything nice and square as you drive that into position. If you have to give it a little hand crank with a T-handle or something, that's fine, but this is a really nice method to get extra clean results when you're doing your threaded inserts. So the result is nicely set threaded inserts that are perfectly perpendicular to the surface, just what you need for something precise like this project. So in wrapping up my router table project here, these FISCH Brad Point bits really worked well, even in that difficult phenolic plywood, so I would definitely recommend them.